Assalamualaikum everyone. Hello, hello, hello. 안녕하세요. konnichiwa. สวัสดีค่ะ Mabuhay. Welcome back to Solo Channel. Today, we are going to learn Year 1 Phonics. The sounds of alphabets H, B, F, FF, L, LL, and the last one, SS. Pada hari ini, kita akan belajar phonics tahun 1, bunyi H, B, F, FF, L, LL, dan juga SS. Before that, I would like to recap our previous lesson. Sebelum itu, saya ingin mengimbas kembali pembelajaran yang lepas. The sounds of CK is K. Right. And the sound of E is E. And the sounds of U? Yes, we have two. U or R. And the last one is R. That is the sound for alphabet R. Alright, let's proceed to our lesson today. Are you ready? Let's go. Baiklah, mari kita mulakan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini. The first alphabet is H. The sound of this alphabet is H. Repeat after me. H, H, H. Again. H, H, H. Hat. Topi. H, H, hat. Another one more time. H, H, hat. Happy. Gembira. H, H, happy. Again. H, H, happy. The sound for alphabet B is B. Repeat after me, please. B, B, B. B, B, B. Bird, burung. Repeat after me. B, B, bird. B, B, bird. Ball, bola. Repeat after me. B, B, ball. B, B, ball. Let's proceed to the next alphabet. The sound of F is F. It's very short. F, F, F. Another one more time. F, F, F. Fox, musang. Repeat after me. F, F, fox. F, F, fox. Frog, katak. Repeat after me. F, F, frog. F, F, frog. Good job, everyone. The next alphabets are F, F. The sound will be long F. Huruf yang seterusnya adalah F, F. Ianya sama seperti bunyi F, tapi sedikit panjang. Buffalo, kerbau. Repeat after me. F. The sounds for F, F. And together, buffalo. Coffee, kopi. Can you still remember? F for FF. Together it makes coffee. The sound for alphabet L is L. Just a short one. Bunyi untuk huruf L adalah L. Sebutan yang pendek, L. Repeat after me. L, L, L. Lamp, lampu. Repeat after me. L, L, lamp. L, L, lamp. Lemon, limau. Tapi bukan limau nipis ya. L, L, lemon. Again, L, L, lemon. The sound for alphabets LL are long L. So it should be Bunyi sebutan huruf LL adalah sebutan huruf L tetapi panjang. Repeat after me. Again, bell, loceng. Repeat after me. B, B, E, E, and L, L, O. Together, bell. Doll, anak patung. Repeat after me. D, D, O, O, and L, L, O. Doll. And the last alphabets are S, S. Do you remember the sound for alphabet S? Yes, it should be S. So, for alphabets S, S, it should be long S. S. Repeat after me. S, S, S. Dress. Repeat after me. D, D, R, E, and S, S, S. Together it makes dress. Again, dress. Glass, cawan kaca. Repeat after me. G, G, L, L, A, R, and S, S, S. Together it makes glass. Glass. Alright, it's exercise time. Exercise 1. In this exercise, you have to read with me and write the answers under the correct pictures. If you cannot print out the worksheet, it's okay. You can read together with me and write your answers in your exercise book. Di dalam latihan ini, anda perlu baca bersama-sama saya dan tulis jawapan anda pada gambar yang betul. Tetapi jika anda tidak boleh print lembaran kerja ini, tidak mengapa. Anda hanya perlu baca bersama saya dan tulis jawapan anda di dalam buku latihan anda. The answers are hat. Please repeat after me. Sila ulang. Hat. Fox. Bird. Lamb. Frog. Dress. Happy. Ball. Bell. And the last one, glass. Alright, you can pause this video to complete this task. Anda boleh memberhentikan video ini untuk menyiapkan latihan. Good luck. Selamat menjawab. Exercise 2. In this exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with all the phonics that we have learned today. Do you remember? H, B, F, 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 L, LL, and the last one, SS. Please get ready. I'm going to read for you and you just have to write the answer. Di dalam latihan ini, anda perlu mengisi tempat kosong menggunakan phonics yang kita telah belajar pada hari ini. H, B, F, FF, L, LL ataupun SS. Saya akan bacakan untuk anda dan anda hanya perlu bersedia dan tulis jawapan yang betul. Let's begin. Mari kita mulakan. 1. Hadi is a happy boy. Happy. Happy. 2. Hadi wears a bag. 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 3. Hadi likes the frog. 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 4. He has lamb in his house. I repeat, he has lamb in his house. And the last one, 5. He likes to play chess. 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 Have you finished? If yes, let's check the answers together. Mari kita semak jawapan. If no, you have to complete your task first. Exercise 1. Please read after me. 1. Bird. 2. Hat. 3. Ball. 4. Bell. 5. Happy. 6. Lamb. 7. Dress. 8. Fox. 9. Frog. And the last one, 10. Glass. Exercise 2. The answer for number 1 is happy. 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 2. Bag. 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 3. Frog. 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 Number 4. The first answer is lamb. Lamp. Lamb. And the second answer is house. House. And the last one is chess. 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 Alright everyone, well done for your great effort today. I hope you have lots of fun learning phonics with me. And for that, thanks for watching. 감사합니다. 아리가또 고자이마스. ขอบคุณค่ะ. Salamat. See you in the next videos. Bye. 안녕.